what is style sheet language, what is CSS, everything you will learn in this video. Stay tuned. Style sheet is the style element. When you add this with a markup language, the whole thing come out beautiful. Let's, for an example, there is a structure or there is a frame made with HTML. Now the HTML is a structure only. This thing is not looking good. Then what you do to look it more beautiful, to make it more beautiful, you add CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, the language to learn. This is called style sheet language. You add CSS to HTML. Once you add CSS to HTML, the whole web page will look very beautiful. CSS mainly contain how you color a element, how you color a text, how you increase the font size, how to look more beautiful by making the background color change, hover effect. When you mouse over a button, then the button will grow or the button color change. Everything you can do, like mobile responsive also you can do with the help of CSS only. Only HTML will not act in that condition. Now you add this CSS to HTML to make a whole web page beautiful. The most important question come here, why its name is Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet means, let's say for an example, you want to beautify a button that is made with HTML. Now the button needs some CSS to make it beautiful, right? This button CSS can be written multiple places, multiple files, right? The priority, the most important one will be chosen and the result of most important one will be displayed to the web browser. For example, you have added a button in HTML. You want to make the button color red. You have written the CSS that button color should be red. Some other file you have written the same button CSS that it's blue. Now the CSS will prioritize which code I want to show. Accordingly, according to the priority, the web browser will prioritize the code and it will show this. If the priority is more on the red, then red background color for that button will be displayed. That's why it's Cascading Style Sheet, means prioritize will be maintaining over CSS. This is the most important interview question. If you like this kind of informational videos, you can check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. So right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.